Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We are opening up today the Lucario and the Premium Mega Charizard. We're going to look at the articulation, kind of like the sculpts, and I'm excited to get into them. I've had them for quite a while and um, enjoy the opening. Okay, so we're going to open up today. Hey, Mr. Viviorco, ¿cómo están? You just came in time for some openings. So we're gonna open up the Lucario. Open up the Lucario. And we're gonna open up, since we're playing ZA and he's in ZA, we'll play the Mega Charizard. I picked these two because they're in the game. So we have Lucario, which I'll open up first. Where did I put my... Here they are. Lucario. So in this set, it's if it focuses up. In this set, it's Charizard, Rayquaza, Lucario, and Zapdos. And I actually have the other three. I don't think I opened Charizard in the channel. Zapdos I'll open up later because I just got him. And Rayquaza I'll open up as well. But I think, or maybe I opened them up. I did open them up in the channel. That's right. I did open them up in the channel. So. Oh. There he is. Just a little stand that they all come with. Hold on, I have to open this up. Oh. That should do it. Entei and Zeraora. I don't think I've opened up Zeraora here. Entei and Zera. Holding him in the back too. There we go. He is free. He is free. Oh no. All right, so and then this is falling. There we go. There we go. It looks cool. I like the sculpt. The sculpt is... Oh, I like that. That's cool. So, I missed him. Let me see. Oh, okay. So, he has the... Actually, the head doesn't really move. It goes side to side. But it's probably because of those little fur thingies. But the arms go pretty high up. I am Lucario. And then we have, so ball joint, we have a swivel right there. And then we have the hinge right there. We have a hinge right here at the wrist. The ab crunch is actually pretty good because it goes back like that. You can see how back it goes, and then not too forward, but definitely backwards. And then this guy's to loosen up. So you got to be careful here because it looks like if you kind of bend this, that might break. But he has a hinge at the toe, and he has, oh, so this moves forward because it's Lucario. So like that. And then there's a swivel right there. There's a swivel right there. Oh, and then he has like in the back, he has like a knee thing. Yeah, so, but you got to be careful because it feels like it's a little. So it goes pretty high up, and it does come out. So it's a good joint right there. Actually, it's a good joint right there. There we go. He can do the splits. He can do the splits to avoid getting contact. So these right now, you might get lucky and find them at Ross for pretty cheap. I forgot how much they are. Like $10? I don't know. Is the price on here? I think I found that one. $14.99. So like $5 off from normal price. $15.99. But yeah, he looks cool. I like him. Oh, and the tail. Tail has a joint back there to rotate up and down. Yeah. So that's our Lucario. And then it comes with a little stand. And I think like the little, oh, there it is. So, and then you basically, where does it go? Oh, it goes to the side of the tail. You guys see that? It goes to the side of the tail right there. Oh wait, maybe it's the other way. Is it? No. That's right. It's just actually it's not bad that it's like tight fitting. There we go. Lucario. Whoa. Coming at you. My foot's coming at you. So put this over. We'll put this over here. Lucario. Actually, the little stand is pretty tight. Oh, that's not. Okay, cool. Lucario. And then next up is the Charizard, the Mega Charizard. Mega Charizard. We opened up the Charizard like a long time ago. You guys remember that? I'll have to take a break after this because I need to clean up the mess I'm making. Alright. I'm gonna have to cut this out. Cut these out. Should break them out, right? Break some out of that. It's just that all right, let's see. Okay. Now we have to break them free. Well, here's the Here's the other stand thingy. Well, that stand's like falling apart. Here's the stand. Alright, how do we get you out? Well, there's one, there's a thing here. This one. That's it? Oh, there's one right here at the hand. One right here at the elbow. Like that one. That's it? Cool. That was easy. Oh, he looks cool. I like this one. This one you could still find at Target. I think I saw him there the other day. At Target. You can find them at Target. At Le Target. He looks really cool. Look at that flame coming out of the mouth. That's awesome. So the wings have hinges and can go all the way back. The tail has up and down and a little bit of rotation. Not well, yeah, a little bit of rotation, but mostly up and down. Head at the head, it does actually. It does go up and down. See how far back it goes? That's pretty good for like a flying pose. That's nice. And then the neck also has a hinge to go forward and back. This is a really nice figure, actually. Like, looking at it, it's really nice. And then the shoulders have the ball joint, yeah. And there's a hinge there. There's a actually like the shoulder pads go up and down. And there's like a swivel in there as well. The hands just have a swivel. No, there's no joint in there to go up and down. Then at the legs there is a up and down and a little bit of a in and out. It's just that the back right here restricts it, but there is like a good amount of ups. Look, and it also goes pretty far back. He's running. Charizard's running. Wait for me, Ash. And then it's a rocker joint right here at the foot. So in and out, up and down. Yeah, I like this one. This one's really nice. This one is really nice. And then to hook them up, where's the hookup? Interesting. Oh, so the hookup is down here for the flying pose. So basically, it's in his stomach, so that it can hold him flying and stuff. Let's put him into a flying pose. Flying pose. And so it holds him. It holds him to fly. He's flying across the screen. Except the wire cut up to him. Yeah, it's a nice. Oh, and then pretty sure the mouth opens and closes. That's a cool. I mean, this is. I think this is a really nice Charizard. A really nice Charizard. Yeah. Yeah. So that is our openings for today. So Lucario versus Charizard. Let's go! Alright. Welcome back, everybody. That was fun. I really like the figures. I think the Lucario and the Mega Charizard are really nice. And then we'll see if we can open some more this week or next week. We are playing Legends EA on the Jinnsaru Twitch channel and also on the Jinnsaru Plays channel. But don't forget to like and subscribe on the Jinnsaru Collects channel, and this is where we're gonna do like more toy openings and more like Target runs and Walmart runs. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.